Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about s equal to a shin t, because if I put this one going here, we have a square shin t square, a square. We can do about factorization. 1 plus shin t square, we change cos t square, and later that we simplify the square root. ds, we have a cos t dt. So I will put this one going here. ds we change by this one. Next, we have a square shin t square. So we have a square. We can do factorization. Next, 1 plus shin t square, we change cos t square. The square root of a square cos t square, we have a cos t. So a and a, we have a square. Cos t, we have cos t square. Now we have the formula in here. Cos t square equals to cos 2t plus 1 over 2. Now we need to change this one into this one. Next, I will put number 2 go outside. And now we have the final answer. The integration of cos 2t, we have 1 over 2 sin 2t. Number 1, that is about t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by 8. So we have t equal to arcsin of s over 8. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.